Well, good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have cold conditions out there once again this morning. It's going to continue for the next several days. We have a cold weather pattern across the Mid-Atlantic region. It's going to provide us with below seasonable temperatures, at least for the next 7 days, looks like. And for today, we'll continue to remain below normal, only seeing our high up to about 32 degrees today. We have some overcast skies this morning. They'll start to clear out by the late morning and the afternoon hours, and we'll see partly cloudy conditions in general by the late afternoon. But overall, we'll average out about mostly cloudy for today. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we do have a area of cloud cover that's moving across the Wallops region this morning, around 5,000 to 6,000 feet. That's going to be continuing to move eastward and off the coastline for this late morning hours and the afternoon hours. I have a weak upper level disturbance that's currently moving through the region that's producing these clouds. I'm not going to see any precipitation with this cloud cover, and we'll just see that cloud cover start to erode as we move into the afternoon hours today. Looking at our surface observations as well as our radar and infrared satellite, you can see showing this cloud cover starting to move through the region and off the coastline this morning. Temperatures are rising slowly from the mid-teens to the upper teens this morning. We have light winds out there this morning out of the north and variable at times, so not much of a wind chill comparatively to the current temperature, but it is still very cold with temperatures in the teens this morning. Did have a little bit of light reflectivity over the Pax River area this morning. We do have very dry low levels, so any of that moisture that did try to reach the ground most likely did dry up before it ever reach the ground. If it did, it would just be a few flurries. I'm not expecting that here at Wallops. Looking at our current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we do have an overcast sky at 6,000 feet, north wind at 10 degree azimuth at 4 knots, temperature at 20 degrees, and relative humidity at 50%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we have a green chart for today. Overall, we'll be seeing northerly winds this morning, becoming westerly this afternoon, and then back northwesterly this evening. Peak wind will be during the late afternoon hours. Northwest 8 to 13, gust to 18 knots, seeing a temperature of 32 degrees this afternoon as our high. And tonight we're going to be seeing a increased cloud cover over the Wallops region. That's going to keep our low temperature up comparatively what we see the last 2 nights. Saw a low last night of 15 degrees. We'll see a low tonight of 20 degrees. And by tomorrow morning, we'll have a clipper system moving north of the region. It's going to allow for our winds to turn more southerly by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, southeast at 5 to 10 knots. It's going to allow our temperature to get up into the upper 20s by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. And we'll have a slight chance of flurry with that clipper system moving through tomorrow morning. No snow accumulation expected here at Wallops. Any snow accumulation will be well north of the Maryland-Delaware border, most likely north of Georgetown towards Dover, if you are traveling towards that area tomorrow morning. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we do have that overcast sky at 6,000 feet, a chance we go overcast at 5,000 feet from now until about 10 o'clock, and then at 10 o'clock we'll just have a broken deck at 6,000, broken deck at 10,000, broken deck at 25,000, and we'll become mostly sunny and partly cloudy this afternoon. Tonight we'll increase our mid-level and upper-level cloudiness once again. At Saturday at 1 local, we'll have a broken deck at 8,000 feet, broken deck at 10,000 feet, overcast deck at 20,000 feet. Slight chance we do have that flurry in the Wallops region after 4 o'clock local time on Saturday. And then at 8 a.m. on Saturday morning, we'll just see overcast skies with a ceiling at 10,000 feet. Our tides are normal, and looking at Saturday into Sunday for the weekend, Saturday it's going to be the warmest day we'll see probably in the next 7 days, looking at only a high of 40 degrees. So it'll feel warmer than we have been seeing, but it's still going to be pretty chilly out there. Overcast skies on Saturday, a slight chance of a flurry in the morning, then mostly cloudy and breezy in the afternoon. An additional chance of a slight chance of a rain-snow shower in the late afternoon. And that'll be with the actual Arctic cold front moving through during the late afternoon on Saturday. Saturday night we'll have partly cloudy skies, breezy winds, and cold temperatures. Wind chills ranging from 0 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit and only a low of 21 degrees. So we'll have those winds picking up Saturday night after that cold front moves through, and that's going to allow for our wind chills to be bitterly cold once again. And for Sunday, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies, breezy winds, and cold temperatures, only a high of 26 degrees. And with those winds, we'll be seeing our wind chills only in the teens for Sunday, so Sunday will be a fairly uncomfortable day to be outside. Looking for our risk charts for Saturday through Sunday, we'll have orange for winds on Saturday and Saturday night, and then a yellow for Sunday for those winds around 25 knots. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief this morning. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.